everyone. Today I'm going to tell about orange things. First is, this is the orange car. You can open doors like this. You can open doors like this. And it will go very fast. Pull it backward, it will go frontward very fast. The next one is a toy chicks. These toy chicks can really go. If we put these, it will do like that, and it will chicka, it will go like that. That's just anything. This is orange fruit. See, it is orange, like orange color. See, orange. Eating things. Next, this is orange. You like this orange thing. And next is Peppa. This is mommy pig. See, it can go if you pull this like this. It will go, and if you can do like this, like that. And this is a really cool thing. See? Next is this is a nice orange lollipop. So yummy. And next is this is a nice orange juice. Orange juice. So yummy. See, it says orange juice it says out there. And this is a carrot. Carrot grows in ground in the mud. And this is pumpkin. Pumpkin have many seeds. This also grows in ground. This is grown on the ground. Next is this nice box, orange box. See? Over like this. Like in this side also. And next is this is a nice oil pillow. See? So comfy. It's nice to rest. And these are orange things. This is a spinning watch. I'll show you how it works. I'll show you full how it works. You do like this and you just stretch it like that. And you can take this off when you want to. And you can wear it by taking, see? And next is you can, this is called spinning watch. If you put like this, your hand over here, it will do like that. And if you do wrong, you can turn it back. And you can spin it when you wear it. See, like this. The spinning watch can do like this. And it can all light. See, it's spinning. You can give faster. And I'll show you spin. There you go, it's a light. And I'll have dinosaur. Now I'm going to show you my book. This is my scrapbook. This is an orange birthday hat. And this is an orange starfish. And I have starfish on this in the video. And this is an orange. This is a nice clownfish. And this is an orange juice. And this is marigold. And this is Mommy Pig. I have orange over here. I have pink, it's okay. And this is a nice pumpkin. And next is, this is a carrot. See? Stick these over here. Now this is a carrot. Thank you. This is a orange thing. Bye.